Who's looking? Who's the one with consciousness? Who's experiencing? There's this inclination to want to sort out the universe, or at least sort out oneself, to figure it out, to solve the problem, is a very strong inclination to continue doing that, to working on your life or yourself as if it's a problem. And that will go on and on and on until you end it. What we're definitely not doing at an enlightenment retreat is working on problems. You're not a problem. And even if you think that there is a problem in your life, what we're not doing is working on it. Yeah, some of you want, an intimate relationship. Some of you want to stop suffering because the one you love left you. Some of you want to stop suffering because you're always miserable. Or just the other side of the coin, you want to feel bliss, you want to feel love, you want to feel happy, and it becomes a problem, as if there's something to solve. It's not a problem. We're not working on problems here. I tell you this, believe me. What we're doing here is being open to directly knowing the self, the one who has the problem or feels they have a problem. It's that one. That's where your attention goes, not on the problem, but the one that is experiencing the problem. Is different. It leads to dramatic different results. So if you're telling stories about the condition of your life, you're not doing the technique. You're off the mark. You might be shooting the arrow, but you're aiming at the wrong target. It's the one holding the bow and arrow. That's the one you want to know directly. I've never known anybody who directly experienced themselves, who directly knew themselves. I never met anybody in my, I think it's about 28 odd years of doing this, sitting in front of the room. I've never met anybody that had a problem at the moment of direct knowing themselves. At the moment of your direct knowing yourself, you couldn't make a problem. It just, it's inconceivable. Doesn't. So, as a consequence of directly knowing the self, problems dissolve. The veil is open, the illusion is vanished, and the truth is obvious at that moment. Out of your unconsciousness, Do you close the veil back up? Close the bars to the cell? And go back unconscious? Sadly, yes, you do. How quick? That depends on how much you love suffering. How much you miss that pain. Let's not worry about that side of the equation yet. We're on the other side of continuing to stay open to the truth of self. So all problems totally dissolve when one directly knows themselves. It's fascinating.